Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm opening the Twice Strategy album. I can't remember which version this is, but I know I got it because I like the little teddy bear on the front. But yeah, I got this for Christmas, luckily, so I get to open it. I'm pretty excited. Let's go ahead and open this up without breaking it with a knife. Okay, how do I do that? Pierce it by there. Okay. Sorry about the bad lighting as well, the sun isn't out for some reason, it's very dark. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. I'm actually really excited. I was looking forward to getting this for Christmas, so shout out to my mum for getting it for me. Okay, let's slide this plastic off. I actually haven't really looked into these albums, like what you get in them, so I know I should have, but yeah, I'm actually not sure what you get. How do I open it? Oh, it says guess my strategy. That's pretty cool. Oh, that opens so nicely. Wow, that's like a whole book. Okay, how do I get it out? Whoa. Wow. Okay. I wasn't expecting that. That's like a whole book. Let me set this to the side a minute, because my desk is too small. Okay, look how thick that is. That's pretty awesome. Let's go ahead and flick through this quickly and see what the photos are like. Okay, wow, that's pretty nice. This is a really nice photo book. I love the quality of it. That is really nice, and the photos are amazing in there as well. Okay, let's put that to the side. What's next? I see this little ornament thing. There's like a little ornament thing. It says strategy on the back, but I got moment. That's pretty nice. I like that a lot. I still got my tree up, so maybe I should hang this up on there. But I guess you could put it on your phone as well, maybe. That'd be cool. But yeah, there's a little ornament thing. Look at that. I like that. Okay, next, I'm guessing these are the... Is this the pre-order benefit? Did I get the pre-order benefit, like, cards? I didn't realize that. So we're opening that last, because I like to do the photo cards last. Here, I believe this is like a lyric sheet. Is this a lyric sheet? Yeah, this is like a lyric sheet, as you see. It folds like that. Lyric sheets, I don't know why. I kind of like lyric sheets, they're kind of cool. I'm just weird maybe. But yeah, there's the lyric sheet, which is pretty nice. Put that to the side. Next, I think this is a poster. Let's see what poster. I see two posters in there, so let's see. So we have, oh, we got Daehan. We got a Daehan photo. I like the outfit she's wearing. That's really nice. That's a nice outfit. I wouldn't be able to pull it off though, but I really like it. That's a really nice photo as well. That's good quality. Okay, I see another photo. I'm guessing this is a photo with the whole group on. If I'm correct, yes I am. Let's go ahead and open it. You can't quite see it, so I'll do like a little scan by. That's a pretty nice photo. I like how it's like a white background and then they're just like really colourful and red. That's pretty nice. I like that. I'm probably going to put that up in my uni room. And then we have the disc at the back. There you go. Here is the disc. I don't know why my hands are shaky. Am I that excited over this? But yeah, we got a disc right there. I can't wait to play this on my CD player. That's really nice. I like the design of that. That is really nice. Okay, let's put that back in so I don't break it. There we go. And now let's move on to the photo cards. I believe this is like the pre-order benefit cards that you get. I didn't realize I got the pre-order benefit one. So let's go ahead and flick through these. So we have Nayeon, Jungyoung. Oh, she looks cute in that little hat. Momo. Momo really suits the colour red. Is that just me? but I think she really does suit the color red. We have Santa. Oh, I love that Supreme, sorry, jumper. I really want it, but I would never be able to afford it. I saw that in the photo book. I really like that jumper. We have Jiho. That's really nice. We've got Gio. We have Mina pulling that V pose. We got Daehan. Chaeyoung. Looking cool. Like, look, there's like a little like, what do you call that? Like you have at events and stuff, like at the red carpet. That's what it reminds me of. We have Tsui. And we have a group one, that's pretty nice. With them all on as well. I really like that. So let's put that to the side safely. We can put that into my album. Not my album, yeah, my binder, that's what I'm trying to say. I need a bigger binder for my Twice photo cards. It's growing quite big. Okay, let's move on to the basic photo cards that you get. Let's go ahead and move on to that. And you get quite a lot, look at that. You get quite a lot. Oh, that's cute. Look at that Chaeyoung photo card. I love that little like doll on there. That is really cute. Oh my god, okay, that might be my favorite so far. Okay, we got Jungyoung with the hat. That's cute as well. Okay, we got Mina pulling the V pose again. We have Nayeon posing with the V. Is this like a set? Is this like a V set? Like, I'm guessing that's a set, maybe? Because they're both wearing like heart necklaces. That might be a set. And then we have, oh, we got Daehan with that, like, what's it called? Like that jean type of outfit on, which I really liked. And that's the last card. So I'm guessing that's, yeah. These like different sets, I don't know. Because sometimes they're like different colours to go with the different sets. But yeah, I really like this photo card as well. But that Chaeyoung card, where is it? This one might be my favourite that I've pulled so far. That's really cute. I'm guessing there's a whole set with the dolls. Oh, I really want that set, but probably not gonna get it. I'm gonna have to look for people like trading and selling. Because I want the full set with the dolls. But yeah, there's these photo cards. And this is what the backs look like, in case you're wondering. Why is this one red though? Is there a difference? I don't know, maybe it is like a different set. But those are the photo cards, they're pretty nice. I really like these. I like how like basic but colourful they are at the same time. And like I said, that's probably my favourite one I pulled. Wow. So yeah, you do get quite a lot in that album, that's pretty nice. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you got this album, let me know what you got in it as well. And what you get in the different sets as well, because I haven't really looked into it. But I really like this album, this is really nice. Probably one of my favourite albums Twice has released so far. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.